If you own an older Polaris Slingshot with an ignition key or a newer model with a key fob, and you've always kind of felt like the factory key or fob were a bit lackluster, you're not alone. So today we're happy to introduce that we now offer a key cover solution for all models and years. For 2020 and newer Slingshot owners, your bike comes equipped with a keyless ignition system and a plastic key fob. We've designed a premium leather key fob cover that's debossed with the SlingMods logo and available in different color options to suit your style. The cover comes with a small screwdriver for easy installation. Simply remove the screw, slide the cover over your key fob, and secure it for a classy upgraded look in just a minute or so. It also includes a key ring, perfect for attaching additional keys. For 2015 to 2019 Slingshot owners, the factory ignition key comes with a plastic key head that's, let's be honest, looks a bit basic. That's why we now offer aluminum replacement key heads, crafted from billet aluminum and available in a vibrant red or sleek black finish for a stylish upgrade. To install the replacement key head, slip on a pair of gloves for safety. Use pliers to hold the end of the key blade and a heat gun to warm the plastic key head. Once heated, use another set of pliers to slide the plastic head off the key blade. Make sure to allow the key blade adequate time to cool. Use a 2.5mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws securing the 2 halves of the aluminum key cover. Insert the key blade into the aluminum cover, aligning the hole in the key with the alignment tab inside the cover. Clamshell the other half of the key cover in place and secure it with the included screws. If a Slingshot key cover is on your mod list, head on over to slingmods.com or click one of the links in the description below to grab one for yourself, or maybe as a thoughtful gift for a fellow rider. And feel free to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Keith, signing out until next time.